This is an experiment with painting on leather with a stencil. Hello, good people. This is Sherry. I was going to pull out some of my scrap leather to see if I could use my stencil to paint on the leather. You may have seen me use foil on leather, and also I have silk screened on leather. So I wanted to see if the stencils would work. The first one I tried that you see at the top turned out all smeared. I was very dissatisfied with the way that one turned out. So I decided to put some white glue on the leather to see if that would help the stencil to stick to the leather, because that's why mine smeared, because it kind of leaked under the stencil. I'm trying to clean some of the paint off of my stencil before I try this second time. It still came out smeared. I'm looking for a sharp and crisp look. I'm going to try again. This time I'm going to try pouncing the paint on. I had been smearing it the way that I do the gel when I'm using foil. Well, it's still smeared. Yuck. Well, these are all lemons, so I decided to take my lemons and try to make some lemonade. I was trying to cut off parts that were less smeared. Well, this is what I ended up with. These don't look bad. They look okay. They just don't look the way that I wanted them to look. But, you know, here's my lemonade. All right, good people, you know the drill. Please like, give me a comment, thumbs up, subscribe if you're new here. This is Sherry, and as always, be blessed.